Hey, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video will be discussing about the second type of data structure, which is called as tuple. So in lists, we understood a couple of operations which we could do in lists. Lists are mutable, they are iterable. We can slice out information from lists and many others, right? So now let's look at tuples. So unlike lists, tuples start with round brackets. Okay, so we can store multiple information inside it. So can we store, different types of data along with it? Yes, definitely we can. Similarly, like lists, we can slice out information from tuples as well. So if I have a tuple, say x is equal to whatever it is. Okay, if I do x of 3, it will give me the fourth element, which is 7. So we can slice out information. Can we have nested tuples just like we had the lists? Yes, we have, right? Now, if I want to extract, suppose I say we're in Y, and if I want to extract the last element, which is 45, what will I do? I'll first extract the last element inside the parent tuple, right? Which is Y of -1 versus this. And then I will basically again do -1 to extract the last element inside the last tuple inside the entire bigger tuple, which is 45. So basically, we can have nested tuples at any level. Now, can I convert a tuple to a list? So let's say D is equal to a tuple, which is any elements. And if I do list of D, what do I get? I get a list instead of a tuple. So tuples can be converted to a list. But can lists be converted back to a tuple? Let's see. If I store this in, say, E, so E is my now a list. Now I do tuple of E, it will convert it back to a tuple. Right. So lists and tuples can be converted from to each other and vice versa. But we had one more property in lists, which made it very interesting. We could change elements inside the list. Lists are mutable. So if I have a list, say x is equal to 3, 4, 5, I'm taking very simple examples. And if I want to change the element 5 to 6, what will I do? X of -1 is equal to 6. This is what I will do. And if I print out x now, it will show me 3, 4, 6. But let's try the same thing with tuple. Y is equal to same number of elements, 3, 4, 5. So y is a tuple now. And if I want to change y of -1, which is the 5 to 6, so I'll slice it out using -1, the last index, and make it 6. It shows me an error. And what does the error say? Tuple object does not support item assignment. So basically, you cannot change elements inside a tuple, which makes it very different from lists. Okay, so any information which you want to store, which you do not want to change by any mistake, for those purposes, we can use a tuple. So now if I want to change the element inside tuple, I cannot change it directly. However, I can change it to a list to make it mutable. So let me save it somewhere. Let me say y1 is equal to list of y. So now y1 is a list, but y was a tuple. So now since y1 is a list, I can easily do of -1, y1 is -1 is equal to 6. And now y1 is basically a list, which the new updated number, which is 6. Now I can convert this back to a tuple. Pretty lengthy process, right? So you can easily directly use lists to make changes. If at all we have to make changes or update any kind of container. So we have to use lists instead of tuples. So that is all for today, guys. In the next video, we'll be dealing with more complex data structures, which will enable us to store more useful information. Stay tuned. Please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.